Every traveler has different needs. Some want a simple, affordable option, while others prefer a premium experience with extra services. Families often look for packages designed to fit their group. Instead of creating separate tours for each type, Tripcart makes it easy to add multiple packages under one tour. This way, you can offer standard, premium, and family packages with their own prices and details, all in one place. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through setting them up. To get started, log into your Tripcart dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Tours, then All Tours, and select the tour you want to edit. Once you're inside, open the Price tab. By default, the package type is set to single. This means the tour is limited to just one option for travelers, so everyone books the same experience without any variation. If you want to give travelers more choices, switch it to multiple, and you'll unlock the ability to add and manage different packages under the same tour. Here in the beginning, you'll see a default package already created for the tour. The first thing I'll do is edit this default package and turn it into the standard package. Now, let's edit the default package. In the package name, type Standard Package. Next, you'll see the label option. The label is what appears on your booking page to highlight a package. For example, Recommended or Best Value. This helps guide travelers toward the option you want to promote. For now, I'll leave the label blank since I'll be adding it to another package later. You'll also see the Make This Default option. The default package is the one that appears first on your booking page, and its price is shown as the main tour price. Only one package can be set as default at a time. Since this is the only package right now, the box is already checked. I'll leave it as default for now, but once we create all the packages, I'll set one of them as the default and recommended instead. Next, open the Pricing tab. I've set mine to show both adult and child pricing. You can change this from your dashboard settings depending on how you want to charge. For this example, I'll set the child price at $250. You can also add a crossed-out price if you want to show a discount, which is a great way to highlight savings. Here, you can also define the minimum and maximum number of travelers allowed, and if you want, enable group discounts directly from this section. Group discounts are especially useful for encouraging larger bookings, which means more revenue per trip. Then, I'll set the adult price in the same way. Now let's go to the Details tab. This is where you make your package look appealing. You can upload package images, add highlights like Guided Tour Included, and write a short description. Highlights act like quick selling points, while the description helps explain the overall value of the package. These details make the difference between someone just browsing and someone clicking Book Now. That completes the standard package. Now let's create the premium package in the same way. Click on Add New Package. I'll set a higher rate than the standard package and add a cross price to make it look more attractive, since premium usually includes added perks. Next, let's add a family package. Finally, once your packages are ready, add labels like Recommended and choose one as the default so it appears first on the booking page. I'll set the premium package as Recommended and mark it as default. Setting this as the default ensures it shows first on the booking page and the premium price becomes the main tour price. Don't forget to click Update at the top to save your changes. Now let's take a look at how these packages appear on the booking page. Since we set the premium package as the default and with a label Recommended, travelers will also see its price displayed as the main tour price, since the default package price is what appears as the base price of the tour. You can see that the premium package is clearly marked as Recommended. Travelers can click into each package to view its description, highlights, and included services. For multi-day tours, packages appear in the main booking section with full side-by-side comparisons. But if you've set up a single-day tour, the preview looks a little different. Let's take a look. Open one of your single-day tours. In the general section, you'll see it is already set as a single-day trip. Now, head over to the price section. Here you can see that I've already set prices along with the packages. Let's preview this tour. When traveler tries to book, the package options appear in the sidebar instead of the main section. This is different from a multi-day tour, where packages are displayed side by side in the booking area. In single-day tours, the sidebar layout keeps the focus on the date and time, while still letting travelers choose between packages. It's a cleaner, faster setup, perfect for shorter trips where simplicity and speed are most important. The packages you've created will apply to every date you add. But you can also set different packages with custom prices and packages on specific dates. For example, you might offer a higher price on weekends when demand is strong, or set a discounted rate for midweek dates to attract more travelers. So let's go ahead and add packages and custom prices to different dates. Go to the Dates tab to set up when your tours will run. Here, you can create different departure dates for your tours, and then connect your packages to them. You can also hide packages on certain dates. For example, if you don't want to offer the premium package during slow months, simply hide it. Now let's see how this looks in the preview. Here you can see that the premium package is hidden on the dates where we chose not to offer it. For each date you create, you'll see all the packages we set up: standard, premium, and family. From here, you can adjust the price of each package for that specific date. For example, if your standard package is usually $200, you could raise it to $250 during the peak summer season when demand is strong, while keeping it at the normal rate during the quieter months. You might also lower the family package price in the off-season to encourage more group bookings. This flexibility means you don't need to build separate tours for every season. You can simply adjust the pricing inside the dates you've already added. Once everything is saved, open the preview again. Here you'll notice different prices appearing on different dates exactly the way you wanted. And that's how you create multiple packages for your tour in Tripcart. If you haven't tried Tripcart yet, you can start for free for 30 days. No credit card required. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Not just for more how-to guides, but also to stay updated on new Tripcart features that can help you grow your tour business.